I'm here to showcase some of the cool things you can do with the bubble chart feature on Gapminder.org. First of all, I'm just going to hit play down in the bottom left hand corner and let you see what it does. So when I press play, you can see that the time is ticking along down the bottom here, so we're at 1810, 1811. Our bubbles are moving up and down, and each bubble represents a country. So the size of the bubble is dependent on its population, so it's set over here at the right hand side. So the larger the population, the larger the bubble appears. And these change over time as population grows or falls in particular countries. The default graph is income on the x-axis against life expectancy. And you can see that in general, most bubbles are moving further to the right as we go through time, which suggests that their income per capita is increasing. So countries are becoming richer. And again, in general, our countries are moving up on the y-axis. So life expectancy is generally increasing. You're about to see a big drop coming up on life expectancy. It's really interesting to see if students can use the internet to research why some of these things happen. I'm just going to pause this here. So pause in 1923. The geographical location of each country is what differentiates the colour. So the green ones here are the Americas, blue is Africa, yellow is European countries, and the red ones are Asia, including Australasia. There's so many cool things that you can do on Gapminder.org, and I hope this little taster has just whet your appetite a little bit. Thanks for listening. This is Jim from Using Technology Better.